Hi YouTube team, I'm Kuya Allen TV and today I will share with you my video appeal. Last September 2025, I received my email that my YouTube channel was demonetized due to reuse content. And September 25, I reapply, but my channel is not approved from the YouTube Partner Program. That's why I make video to explain your team my channel was different type of content such as reaction video and charity content. Same needed discover are very used. I believe in the legal doctrine that protect to our legal rights to use in portion of the video material without any information of original owners and as now aspect different ones. And now, what you for a making video for cell phone and wheelchair. And now, what you for a making a video for cell phone and computer.
7, 6, 7.
This is the area we'll make this video, the editing tools apps. I use for editing video on my cell phone and CapCut for make CapCut is very convenient to use for editing video. Now I will show you how to edit my video. I use CapCut apps to use my edited videos. Then after I don't use any apps on the CapCut. I'm Kuya Allen TV. I upload to my YouTube channel. Last September 2025, I received my email that my YouTube channel. Hoping that you to consider this video and feedback my monetization and ads. Thank you.